join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
Because attention of the House is drawn as regards as in the minds of students as Goa University has failed to process, update and deliver the mark sheets of students in time, consequently affecting the students here and also their career. Mr. Esley D'Souza, a resident of Konkani, has graduated from CES in the year 23. In 22, due to personal difficulty, he could not answer a 15 marks geography practical on the scheduled date, but he, however, answered it in the very next month and cleared the paper. University failed to update his mark sheet despite numerous letters from the Konkani College and several visits to the university since 2022. On 29th July 2024, a legal notice was issued to the university which was received on 30th July 2024, and immediately within few hours of the notice received, they handed over the updated mark sheet. Mr. Esley D'Souza wishes to pursue law, but his admission in law is unlikely to happen, as mentioned by the college administration, since he furnished the updated mark sheet after the stipulated time period. By then the seats were already full. It is noted that he scored 70 in the GUCL 80 marks exam and also graduated with marks more than required to get the admissions in law. Hence, it was due failure of Goa University to issue the updated mark sheet in time. This boy has to waste a whole year in getting admissions in professional colleges. It has been seen that there are more than 20 law aspirants who are facing the same problem. It is the problem of the university that the mark sheet time admissions, his scores were high. And after sending in them a legal notice, they gave it immediately. For more than a year, they kept it pending. So, Mukhil Mantri, you have to sort this. There are about 20 of these law students. Yes. How will you sort it?
Speaker sir, आपण university law college दोघांकडे उलयता आणि मागे त्या उपरांत
the admission माशे कोण दिना
secretary education हांव हे करता.
Dr. Jangan Shetty.
20 सालां तो म्हटलं कसो रिजॉल्व करपाचो पळयता.